I am Colonel T.L. Bhai, a retired army officer. I retired almost about more than 30 years back, and since then I have settled down in Nilgiris. I have got two sons. Elder one is also in the army and he is Lieutenant General and commanding a corps in Srinagar. The younger one is at Bombay. He is in the film line. He has made one movie 2 years back called Dhakad. Now he is going to make second movie, Major Shaitan Singh. The requirement of elevators usually came into my mind. What happened is that about a year and a half back, I underwent a surgery on my left knee, and so now coming up to my house, there are almost more than 20 steps. So those I am still using those steps, but at that stage I thought it is better that I should get the elevator installed, so that in case I can't climb up the steps, then I'll have to use elevator. The performance is quite satisfactory. As far as the safety features are concerned, well, while installation, they have put those in the equipment, and the chair when it is going down, coming up, there is a jockey ride. With that, you can control it, and then in case of any eventuality, current going away or something, the chair starts sliding down, or then you can switch on the stop button, and that they say that the chair will stop. So only that much I can say. But as I said, the safety features all they are there installed in the equipment. On the whole, quite useful and of good utility.